Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region this morning. Mild temperatures in the 50s, seeing some slightly breezy winds out of the southwest. We'll continue to see those breezy winds today, especially in the afternoon hours, expecting to have a wind advisory from this afternoon into the mid-afternoon hours today. We'll see a slight chance of some rain showers moving through as well, but most likely won't see that in very widespread coverage across the region, just some isolated showers across the area for the afternoon hours. Overall today, going to see a very low chance or near 0% chance of lightning, as well as only about a 20% chance of a rain shower. So looks like a pleasant day across the region, warm temperatures, spring-like across the area today. Warm front will be moving through the region for later on today. That could give us those rain showers moving through, but otherwise going to see just the warm sector of this low moving into the region. That's going to give us, in general, fair weather across the area. Taking a look at our current observation, we do have some low clouds across the region this morning, overcast deck at 1,200 feet, winds of the southwest at 12 knots, gusting to 17 knots, temperature 54 degrees, and relative humidity around 75%. So taking a look at our radar imagery this morning, you can see we do have some rain showers and even some thunderstorms across the northern Mid-Atlantic states this morning, across Pennsylvania into western Maryland, as well as northern Maryland this morning. Could see a brief rain shower, as I mentioned, associated with this disturbance riding along a boundary across our region for later on today into the afternoon hours, but overall those chances are quite low across the region, only about 20%. And taking a look at the FV3 model for today, you can see this is moving into this afternoon. This is at 10 o'clock this morning, and then here at 12 o'clock, you can see the rain shower activity stays north of Wicomico County, so most likely not going to see that rain shower activity in our region, but can't rule it out for a brief sprinkle for this afternoon or a light rain shower. Moving into the evening hours, we'll have more activity across the northern Mid-Atlantic region as far as rain showers, possibly some embedded thunderstorms. Then when we move into tomorrow morning, we're going to see a backdoor cold front move through the region. That's going to allow for that boundary to slide through the area and south of the area, and that's going to provide those rain showers becoming closer to our region or moving closer to our region. And that's going to give us a chance of rain showers throughout the morning hours on Friday. And then once we move in the evening hours on Friday, we'll have this boundary setting up across the region. That's going to give us a chance of some rain showers once again for Friday evening. Looks like a better chance from Friday evening comparatively to Friday morning. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll have those breezy conditions with an orange condition for our wind for this afternoon, southwest and 15, gusts to 25. We'll see a warm high today around 73 degrees. Some of the high-res guidance is showing temperatures in the upper 70s today, so could see a very spring-like and warm day across the region if we do see a bit more sunshine for this afternoon, as well as those winds staying off the land. Right now, going with a lower 70s for highs today. We'll see a low in the mid-50s tonight, so once again, well above average. We'll see those winds switching out of the southwest to westerly, and then finally northwesterly tomorrow morning. And then once that backdoor cold front moves through, it looks like mid-morning tomorrow, we're going to see northeasterly winds pick up and provide us with much cooler conditions for our Friday afternoon. As far as the terminal forecast goes, we'll see those low clouds in here, most likely through about noon today, and then should see those ceilings lift thereafter with a decent amount of sunshine, filtered sunshine across the region, with still a lot of cirrus cloudiness across the area. Once we move in the overnight hours, we'll see some mid-level cloudiness building in around 6,000 to 7,000 feet. And tomorrow morning, depending on when that backdoor cold front arrives, models have been continuing to speed up that backdoor cold front moving through, possibly as early as 8 to 9 local tomorrow morning. And once that cold front does move south of the region, we'll see some low clouds, around 600 to 800 feet moving in the region. So going to see possibility of some mist as well with those low clouds. Our tides are running normal currently, and looking at Friday into Saturday. Friday, cloudy and cooler with onshore flow. A chance of rain showers by the late morning. We'll see a morning high of 63, temperatures falling in the 50s by afternoon. We'll see our winds possibly gusting as high as about 22, 23 knots out of the northeast. So fairly breezy wind out of the northeast for especially late morning and the afternoon hours on Friday. We'll see the chance of some lower ceilings as well, and a decent chance of some rain showers moving through the region for our Friday, going with orange for our precipitation. For Friday night, cloudy Low clouds, a chance of some rain showers in the area. We'll see a low of 44. And for Saturday, overcast, low clouds and drizzle during the morning, becoming mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and a very slight chance of a thunderstorm, high 67 degrees. Looks like we'll continue to see that low cloudiness that we'll see Friday night into Saturday morning, possibly linger in the early afternoon hours of Saturday, but looks like the wind should shift off the land, and that should give us some clearing in the low clouds and allowing those temperatures to get into the mid to upper 60s for Saturday. Looks like the thunderstorm chances will come after this time period or forecast period ends at 8 p.m. Saturday. Looks like a better chance as we move into and around midnight for Saturday into Sunday as far as our thunderstorm chances go. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everyone has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock, looking like 7 days.